A crazy guy discovered a process for micro-farming. He perfected it, and now you can share this timeless and invaluable process too. The Backyard Miracle Farm System. But first, let me ask you this. Did you know they are already taking steps to ban prepping? For example, Trump has signed an executive order that gives the government authority over every resource and infrastructure in the USA. For many American families, stockpiling will turn out to be a horrible idea. Because the military, National Guard, and local police can enter our homes and search them without a warrant, and take any excessive resources that you may have accumulated. This includes your food stockpile. But after 13 years of dedicated research, there is an invention, a food stockpile, that they can never steal from you. And that will keep you and your family well fed in a crisis. Some prepping experts call it the holy grail of self-sufficiency. To 1,500 duck and chicken eggs, to 12,500 quail eggs, to 210 pounds of duck meat, to 230 pounds of chicken meat, to 175 pounds of rabbit meat, to 120 pounds of juicy tomatoes, to 30 pounds of bell peppers, to 110 pounds of cucumbers. Go to traffictargeter.com/backyardfarms. What's funny about this invention is that it runs almost on autopilot, following the nature principles. One element feeding another. And in the end they all feed the guy. I swear I couldn't sleep for 2 nights when I saw this. Click the link in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching until the end, and don't forget to subscribe just by clicking the target icon in the right-hand corner of your screen. That link again is traffictargeter.com/backyardfarms.